What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at our Orange County yard, but we started our morning picking up new plow blades. We have 3 10-footers and 3 9-footers. These are all standard highway punch blades, 6-inch top punch, and we got these to replace some plow blades on some of our trucks, but the perfect example is this Fisher blade. So I've talked about this before. This is the second blade that we've gone through on this Fisher, and we've only had 2 storms. So each storm we're going through a plow blade, and it is pretty much worn all the way down. He lost the shoe again, or the curb guard on this side, and that's why the plow is worn a little uneven, because this wasn't on at all and that side was. But basically what we're doing is we're bringing that truck down to our main shop right now, and we're gonna re-drill the plow to fit the standard highway punch. Fisher makes their own bolt pattern, and you have to buy a Fisher blade every single time, and we stock standard highway punch blades because that's what most of our trucks have. The winter equipment blades come with that punch, and it just makes it so much easier to be able to throw those blades on the truck and not have to get a Fisher blade every single time. So we just started up those 2 trucks. I'm gonna pull the 4300 out. Kevin's gonna pull the F600 out, and then we are heading down to our main shop to work on that. right, guys, so we got the truck in here. We got the old blade pulled off, and we have our mag drill out. We're gonna drill new holes, get a new blade on, and then this truck will be done and ready to go back upstate with us at the end of the day.
Let's go.
¿Tú lo vendes? Ahí tienes tú.
Get some pliers, Kevin. You two right there, I got it. Get that fucking camera. Try to get it right in my face. See what happens.
Stomp it in a puddle? Yeah, go hide. Take this to the gas station. Make my brother happy.
That's his throw?
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
You're leaving?
Drop me out the shop. We get the key.
All right, bye, Rodrigo.
Bye.
Bye, Kevin. Rodrigo's gonna go right through the door. All right, guys, so we pulled this truck in as well, and Rodrigo re-drilled this one. We pulled this blade off during the last storm to put it on a different truck because it was the only blade that had the same bolt pattern. But we re-drilled this one along with our other truck, the F600, to fit standard highway punch. The only issue with this is it has a double trip edge, and one of the bolt holes winds up right in the middle, so you got to skip that. But it should be all right without that. It's only one bolt missing. We gotta get this truck out of here. It's so tight. There we go. Me and Rodrigo have a lot of experience getting out of this door. Just got to go nice and easy. And most of the trucks fit. Some of them we do have to pull the wing up a little bit extra, but we got that in. So we got that truck done. We got the F600 done. And me and Kevin are about to head back up to Orange County, drop the F600 off there. Hopefully this blade that we bought is a little bit stronger than the ones that Fisher supplies. But I also worked on a couple of our snowblowers here. You can see these guys are wearing down on the little like cutting edge thing, the scraper down there, pretty bad. And the shoes were, this one's not terrible. The shoes were worn down, so I flipped the little shoes on them. This one I couldn't flip because they whacked something, and you can see it's all bent in. So I just slid it down a little bit. They come with a little bit of a channel here for your bolt, so you can slide them down just to try and avoid wearing down this anymore. We did order parts for it, actually for both of them. That way we can replace that, but I flipped the other one up and the bolts on the bottom of it are completely worn down, so we're gonna have to probably torch them off or something. I couldn't even get a socket on them, but we got to get them off, and then we can put the new ones on when they come. But let me pack all my stuff up, and then we're heading up to Orange County. All right, guys, we got F600 parked back in here. You can see we have a new blade on it. I wonder if you'll be able to see the old holes. Yeah, sorry, I'm spinning the camera like crazy right now, but you can see how we don't use the old Fisher holes and we use the holes that we drilled in it now, which are standard highway punch. And we have a blade on here now. If something happens, we can just throw a new blade on it. But I think these blades are stronger than the Fisher ones that we've been getting, because you can see here that one is pretty worn down. That's one of the old ones we took off. But on Kevin's truck over here, he has a single blade on his as well, and look how much is left in it. There's like 2 inches left here, and he's plowed the same amount of storms with this truck as Billy has, and obviously this blade is not nearly as worn down. So I think these blades that we have here are much stronger, but we're pretty much done here. We have another storm coming early morning tomorrow. They're calling for, I think, 1 to 3 inches or something. It looks like we're gonna have about a 7 a.m. start, something like that. I don't know exactly yet. My father is gonna send out the text later tonight and let us know what time we will be in, but tomorrow's video is gonna be another snow removal video. I know you guys love them, and I love making them. So hopefully we get more than just tomorrow in the rest of this season. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.